In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails in bulk in Gmail. If you're tired of dragging or opening messages one by one, this quick method will help you relocate a whole batch of emails in just a few clicks. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. You can do this from your main inbox or from any view like Sent, Starred, or a custom label. The idea is the same everywhere. Also, a quick note for clarity. In Gmail, what many people call folders are actually labels. The Move to option applies the label you choose and removes the message from your current view, like the inbox, so it behaves a lot like moving to a folder. Now, let's select the emails you want to move. Look to the left of each message and you'll see a small checkbox. Click the checkbox for the first email and then continue selecting as many as you need. If you want to grab everything on the current page, use the master checkbox at the very top of the list to select all visible conversations. You can also search first to narrow down what you see, and then select them in bulk. If Gmail offers a banner that says something like, "Select all conversations that match this search," that's a handy way to grab the full set. With your emails selected, look along the toolbar at the top of your inbox. Find the icon that looks like a folder with an arrow pointing to the right. That's the Move to button. Click it, and a list of your labels will appear. Choose the label that represents the destination you have in mind. Gmail will immediately apply that label and remove the messages from their current location, so they'll appear under that label going forward. If you don't see your label, scroll the list or use the search within that menu. Once you've picked the destination, you're done. You should see a brief confirmation at the bottom of the screen, often with an undo option. If you click the wrong destination, tap undo to reverse it instantly. Also, if you want to keep emails in the inbox and simply categorize them, use the label button instead of move to. Move to relocates. Label adds categories while leaving messages where they are. That's all it takes. Select your emails, click the move to icon, choose the destination, and let Gmail do the heavy lifting. Practice this workflow a couple of times, and it'll become second nature, especially when you pair it with search to target exactly what you want to move. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.